After receiving the money, you'll record this 1800 in cash book. In cash book, you'll record only after the transaction has taken place. That means either cash should come in or cash goes out. Balance of all the ledger is right in the bookkeeping worksheet called trial balance. It should be equal. All the debit and credit items should be equal. In profit and loss account, you will consider all the revenue, all the income and expenses and cost in the financial year.
Hello everyone, I am Meghana from the Department of Commerce, lecturing in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the session 9 of Unit 2, subject Accountancy. In the last session, we have started with the 3-column cash book. In today's session, let us continue with the 3-column cash book.
One more problem on 3-column cash book. Let us see the problem. From the following particulars, make a cash book of Fatima Trading Company for the month of November 2016. Cash balance credit. Here cash balance shows credit side, that means credit balance 2000 and bank balance 40,000. Here for this bank balance they have not mentioned either credit balance or debit balance. Usually cash and bank balance will consider it as a debit balance, but here for cash particularly they have mentioned credit, so we consider it as a credit side, and this by default will consider it as a debit balance. So this is the balance brought down from the last month. So this is the balance brought down credit side and this is for the debit side. So this is payment side, will record payment side, and this bank balance will record in receipt side. Next, cash sales 3,700. Cash sales, this is the receipt. So write in the receipt side, that is debit side. And credit sale 1800 would be received at near future. That means this credit sales now you are not going to receive at present. At the time of sale you are not going to receive any money, but you are going to receive in near future. So here no cash coming or cash going out, no cash transaction at present. So we will not consider this 1800. After receiving the money, you will record this 1800 in cash book. In cash book, you will record only after the transaction has taken place. That means either cash should come in or cash goes out. We will not consider this 1800 at present. Next, paid to Ankit and brothers by cash 500. That means this is one transaction. Paid to Ankit and brothers by cash. Here cash, in cash column, in 3-column cash book we have cash, bank and discount. So here cash is going out, you are paying through cash, so amount should be right in the cash column. Here you are paid, that means payment side credit side by Ankit and brothers 1500 in cash column. Again received cash by debtors 1800. Received, that means received cash, so amount in the cash column, by debtors 1800. This 1800 is a earlier transaction of credit sale. So it says would be received in near future. In near future you are going to receive. So on 6th you will receive the money for the 4th transaction. On November 4th you made a credit sale. That amount you are receiving in November 6th. So this is the receipt side, will record in the cash column. Next, paid to vendor by means of check worth rupees 2,700. Payment, so write in the payment side, that is credit side, paid by means of check. So amount in the bank column, check means in the bank column. Next, paid utility bill in cash. Payment utility bill in cash, amount in cash column. Next, bought goods by check rupees 750. Purchase of goods by check. Purchase means payment. Cash is going out through check. So amount in bank column. Next, draw from bank for the office use. You are withdrawing cash from the bank for the office use. Here you will withdraw the cash but not yet used. So cash withdrawal from the bank, the transaction between cash and bank. So it considered as contra entry. Contra entry once you will consider in the payment side and again in the receipt side. So two transactions, one for cash and another one for bank transaction, you will record in cash book. Next, personal withdrawal personal withdrawal of cash rupees 1000. You will withdraw from the bank for the personal purpose. Any withdrawal, any assets taken for the personal purpose is considered as a drawings. So, drawing account debtor to bank account. So, this is the payment. So, write in the payment side, bank column, amount rupees 1000. Again, received a check from Harish 2700 and deposit into the bank. Here, you will receive receipt. Write in the receipt side, received from Harish. A check received from Harish and deposit into the bank. So, soon after receiving the check, you are going to deposit in the bank. So, amount should be written in the bank column. Amount in the bank column. Next, received by check from Munir 1360, discount 140, not deposited. That means you will receive check from Munir but not a deposit in the bank, and you allowed him a discount of rupees 140. Here, this is the receipt. Write in the receipt side, you will receive the check but not yet deposited. So, if you are not yet deposited means amount should be written in cash column. So, receiving check is equal to cash received, but you are not yet deposit into the bank. So, consider it as a cash received. So, amount in the cash column. Again, in the discount column, you allowed a discount. So, discount rupees 140 in the discount column. Next, cash sales 2100. Payment side, in cash column, amount 2100. And paid wages by bank. Paid wages by bank means amount in bank column. Payment side, that is credit side, bank column 1500. Deposited Munir's check into bank. Now you are going to deposit the Munir's check which you have received in on November 21st. This is the transaction between, you are going to deposit into the bank. So, bank and cash transaction. So, bank and cash transaction is a contra entry. Contra entry you will record once in a receipt side and again in payment side. One for cash transaction and another for bank transaction. Two transaction you will record in cash book. Next, payment by check to Anupama for rupees 175. Payment. So, write in the payment side, check, paid through check. So, amount in bank column to Anupama rupees 175. Again, discount received 25. So, amount in the discount column. Bank column 175 and discount column 25. Next, Munir's check has been dishonored and written by bank. So, here the Munir's check is dishonored and written by bank. So, dishonor account debtor to bank account. Dishonor account debtor to bank account. Credit side, that is payment side, amount in bank column. Amount is 1360. Munir's check is rupees 1360. So, for this transaction, 30th transaction, amount is 1360. So, let us start with the problem. Just post them in a cash book. First, consider cash balance credit 2000 and bank balance 40,000. So, to balance brought down 40,000, by balance brought down 2000. November 1st. To balance brought down bank column 40,000. Again on the same date, November 1st, by balance brought down, cash balance shows credit side. So, write in the credit side cash rupees 2000. Next, cash sales 3700. Receipt side, to sales 3700, amount in cash column. November 4th, to sales, amount in cash column 3700. To sales, amount 3700 in cash column. Next, paid Ankit and brothers by cash rupees 500. Payment side by Ankit and brothers in cash column amount rupees 500. November 6th by Ankit and brothers amount rupees 500 in cash column. 500 cash column. Next, received cash by datas 1800. Receipt side to datas account rupees 1800. November 6, to datas 1800 in cash column. Next, November 12th, paid to vendors by means of check worth rupees 2700. Payment side by vendors account 2700 amount in bank column. November 12th, by vendors account 2700 amount in bank column, paid through check. Next, paid utility bill. Paid utility bill in cash 250. Payment side by utility bill account 250 amount in cash column. November 13, by utility bill account amount in cash column rupees 250. Next, bought goods by check 750. Purchase of goods by check rupees 750. By purchase account amount in bank column rupees 750. November 13, by purchase account amount in bank column rupees 750. Next, drew from bank for the office use 160. First, journal entry for withdrawal of cash is cash account data to bank account. First, consider cash transaction. Cash is credited, so write in the cash is debited, write in the debit side to bank account amount in cash column rupees 160. November 19, to bank account within bracket write C, that means contra entry amount in cash column 160. Next, consider bank. Bank is credited, so write in the credit side by cash account amount in bank column. November 19, by cash account within bracket write C, that means contra entry amount in bank column rupees 160. So this over. Next, personal withdrawal of cash for rupees 1000. Personal withdrawal means drawing account data to bank account. So payment side by drawings account amount in bank column rupees 1000. Same date, November 19th, by drawings account amount in bank column rupees 1000. So next, 20th, received a check from Harish 2700 and deposit into bank. So receipt side by to Harish account amount in bank column 2700. November 20th, to Harish account To Harish account 2700 amount in bank column 2700. Next, received by check from Munir 1360 and discount rupees 140 not deposited. So that means received, receipt side, to Munir account 1360 amount in cash column, even though you will receive the check but not deposited. So write amount in the cash column 1360 and discount column 140. November 21st. To Munir account 1360 amount in cash column and discount column 140. Next, 25th, cash sales 2100. Write in the receipt side, this is receipt and this is payment. Cash sales, receipt side, amount in cash column 2100 to sales account. November 25. To sales account, amount in cash column 2100. Next, paid wages by bank rupees 1500. Payment side, by wages, amount in bank column 1500. November 25. November 25, by wages account, amount in bank column rupees 1500. So now write the journal entry for depositing check into bank. Journal entry, bank account debtor to cash account. First consider bank account. Bank account is debited, so write in the debit side to cash account, amount in bank column. You will receive the check from Munir for rupees 1360. So write to cash account, amount in bank column 1360. 28. November 28, to cash account, write C, contra entry, amount in bank column 1360. Next, consider cash. Here cash is credited, so write in the credit side, by bank account. By bank account rupees 1360. November 28. By bank account, write C, contra entry, amount in cash column 1360. 28 over. Next, 29, payment by check to Anupama for rupees 175 and discount received 25. Payment, so write in the payment side, by Anupama account, bank column rupees 175 and discount column 25. You will receive the discount, so discount column 25 and bank column 175. November 29. By Anupama account, amount in bank column 175 and discount 25. Next, last, November 30th, Munir's check has been dishonored and returned by bank. So, entry for dishonor of check is dishonor account debtor to bank account. Just transfer into cash book. Bank is credited, so write in the credit side, by dishonor account, amount in bank column. November 30th. By dishonor account, amount in bank column 1360. Here we record all the transaction in cash book. So now make a total of discount, cash, bank, and credit side discount, cash and bank, right? Whichever is higher. But for the discount, how much you will get? For credit side total is 140, write 140, and debit side total is 140, write 140 for debit side, and credit side 25. Don't tally between the debit and credit side of discount. So discount amount should be written how much you will get from debit and credit. So now make a total of cash from the both the side, debit and credit, write whichever is higher. So debit side total of cash is 9,120. Credit side total of cash column is 5,110. So debit cash is more, so write 9,120 both the side. Next, find the total of bank both the side, debit and credit side. So here debit side total is 44,060. 44,060, right? Both the side 44,060. Now find the difference between debit and credit cash, and find the difference between debit and credit bank balance. So the difference between cash is 4,010. Write the difference as by balance carry down. The difference between debit side of cash is 4,010 and difference between bank is 36,415. So this balance 36,450 and 40,010 is brought down for the next month, that is December 1st to balance brought down 4,010 and 36,000, 4,010 and 36,415. Balance carried down should be brought down for the next month beginning. So this all about 3-column cash book. Problem with solution. So let's stop for the 3-column cash book and just continue with the next concept of your syllabus. Let's continue with the next session. Until then, keep watching. Thank you.